Welcome to another NumPy tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna see the arithmetic operations you can do using NumPy arrays. First of all, we want to import NumPy as MP. Then we specify two arrays, A and B, and try and add them. What you do is simply use the addition operation. And the result is an element-wise addition. You can also multiply two arrays by using a simple multiplication element by element. Please bear in mind that this multiplication will never be the multiplication that we see in linear algebra. You can also subtract an array from another array. Let's check it out. Exactly. The result is 0, 0, 0. You can also do a modulo operation, again, element by element. And you can also raise each element of an array A to the power of another array, for example B. In this case, as you can see, every element in B is raised into the power specified by A. Again, this is done element by element. Of course, you can do these operations with arrays of various sizes. For example, we have a 2.3 dimensional array here. So we can add A and B here. Again, when you multiply with the asterisk, what you do is not linear algebra multiplication. What you do is element-wise multiplication. And of course, there are a lot of other operations that you can do. For example, you can find the absolute value of an array. So if we put some minus values in the array A, actually use the function .abs from the NumPy library, we are gonna get the absolute value for each element of the array A. Of course, the result will be a new array with the absolute elements. You can also use a lot of other functions. I have specified some functions here, but you can also check out the documentation. Again, all of these functions are done element by element.